We are giving a little advice. Get it? Advice. Adding advice to the workbench. Yeah? No? No? Oh. What's up, everybody? Today we're continuing with our ultimate workbench build. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I'll put a link on the playlist up here for you guys to check out all the components that we have put together for this. And today we are putting on our 6-inch central forge vise that I picked up from Harbor Freight. Now let's get something straight right off the bat, because I guarantee if you looked up this video, you've seen all the other videos saying don't buy this or things like that. This is not the sturdiest vise. Let's just be outright forthcoming with that right now, okay? This is not designed to take a beating. This is cast iron, not forged iron. Forged iron is going to be much stronger and you can beat on. This will crack pretty easily if you hit it with a hard enough blow. I need this for a third hand mainly. I need it to hold bolts while I tighten something or loosen something. I need it to hold a piece of metal while I weld them together or cut something. That's what this is for. Even the anvil is not something I'm going to be beating something like crazy on. If I have to use a sledgehammer to beat it, this is not the tool I need to be using for that. This only cost about $55 on sale from Harbor Freight. I am working in a home garage doing hot rod builds and just house projects. This works perfect for that. If I was doing a full-time service shop, building hot rods for a living, yes, then I would spend the money on a sturdier vise. And also, I'd have a full metal workbench, not just a wood top, for something of that nature. So stop trying to put this in that same category as a bad vise. It works fine. It's going to do the job with no issues. Just stop beating it with massive sledgehammers that you shouldn't be doing in the first place. All that aside, it's going to match up great for this ultimate home workbench here. Let's go ahead and install it, because right now it's just flopping around. Boom. Achievement unlocked. Simple install. 3 bolts, 3 washers, 3 nuts, 3 holes. That's it. Works good. Already saw me hit it in the B-roll there with left a little dimple. I don't care. It's a vise. This thing works good. Moves out of the way so I can pull a car, open the door in here. Spins nice and easy. It's gonna get the job done. Word of caution here, depending on your type of workbench, on where you mount your vise. On my particular workbench, I was able to go all the way to the edge because my worktop is a solid hardwood worktop, and there's a C-channel frame that goes all the way around that the wood worktop sits on that I drilled through as well to give me more clamping force from the chassis of the box and the hard top. That allowed me to drill all the way close to the edge, because on your particular workbench, if you have, say, a plywood workbench or one of those particle board ones, you have a little bit of a hangover, you don't want to put it that far to the edge because you run risk of splintering the wood, or you start trying to work on something and the whole piece breaks off because not supported correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.